Hi everyone. Most of the individuals are hesitating to take vaccine because it may cause the fever and body aches. And today we will see why the fever and body pains are going to be seen because of the vaccine. Okay. So, here basically the vaccine induced fever and body pains. So, this is normally here our immune system is try to kill these specific pathogen. So, here as a vaccine we are introducing either attenuated virus or the killed virus. Okay. So, when this is nothing but a protein. When this protein is introduced to in our systemic circulation, first macrophages are going to be responded and is going to be angle this particular protein, and it will present a specific immunogenic proteins on its surface. So, these specific proteins are going to be read by T cells and B cells. So, normally MHC complex is going to be responsible for this and is going to be enhance the calcineurin that results the expression of the IL-2. IL-2 cytokine is going to be released that causes the clonal proliferation of these specific cells, and that causes the immunity. In the sense, the antibodies are going to be released. So, this is okay, but why the fever? So, here normally any protein if enters, so either it may be bacteria or it may be virus. So, here our immune system is going to be responded and secreted this specific cytokines called as IL-2. Okay. These IL-2 apart from this IL-2, various other cytokines are going to be released that causes the elevation of this thermoregulator center in hypothalamus. Okay. So, resulting of that the body temperature is going to be increased. So, here the hypothalamus here normal body temperature is some 38 degrees centigrade. Okay, 37 degrees centigrade. So, in case of the Fahrenheit it is 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. So, here when this hypothalamus is elevated, so normally the body temperature is going to be enhanced in order to facilitate the boosting the immunity as well as for the providing non-favorable condition for the bacteria and virus to grow. Okay. So, I mean to say the fever is a positive response. So, if you take the vaccine, so here this vaccine the fever indicates that your immune system is working properly, no need to worry about that. And next about the body pains. So, normally as we say this, various cytokines are going to be released because of this specific protein which is given externally. So, these specific protein or these interleukins will enhance the body pains. Okay, that is nothing but again to provoke or to stimulate our immune system. So, please do not hesitate to take the vaccine because of the minor adverse reactions. Okay. So, here next we will see how these how this specific diagnostic kits are prepared. So, normally we will take the plasma cells which is formed from the B cells and will merge with the myeloma cells which is a cancerous cells. So, resulting cell has, by using the polyethylene glycol, will merge these cells that results having the both characters, a cell is going to be formed. Okay. Though these cells are immortal and can produce continuously specific antibodies. So, by using these specific antibodies we can prepare the corona kits, okay, for the diagnosis. Okay. So, hope this video is useful. Thank you.